Si Althea po, Dabber Cats, ay Little Miss Philippines first runner-up noon pong
Yes.
2019. Pero meron pang isa, Little Miss Diva Grand Champion noong 2021. Si Althea sa 8 Bulaga. At tapos ngayon, you're a 4-time Best Actress
Child actress.
winner.
Yes.
Para sa pelikulang Dollhouse. Althea, you're pretty serious actor, no?
Yes po.
Seryoso. At 13, naiintindihan nyo ba yung role na ginagampanan mo? I mean, completely?
Yes po, kasi I like to read books. And yung mga books po kasi, parang ako po yung character eh. Parang nasasarili ko po yung character. Yun po yung ginagawa kong technique na rin po kapag nag-acting po.
Yun.
Sabi ng mga dapat, uy, siya yun.
Kayo, what other plans do you have in your teens? Ito muna, yung 13 to 19 muna. Ano yung mga gusto mo makamit?
Well, I write songs po eh. So I hope to publish a song soon. And I want to pursue acting and singing. So yun pa.
So talaga, ano,
Talagang yun po
you want to
talaga.
be an actress first or a singer first?
Both at the same time.
Oh, saan ka pa?
Kasi ang
How about
first dream
boxing?
ko po.
Pwede rin.